Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you this line chart, which is a bit dynamic in the sense that it's got these radio buttons linked with it. So let's see. If I choose the option, do you see the line chart and the title actually changes? See? So I created this and just wanted to show you how could you do the same as well. So whatever your data would be, I'm just going to do a simple copy and paste here. So whatever your data is, you could just start off with that. I'm going to first of all do a quick copy and paste of a table here. The reason why is that this second table here is where the line is going to be picking its value from. I'm going to do a bit of a modification here. I'm going to put a formula of equal to if the selected value in A2 is equal to, now I'm going to make it absolute because I want it to be fixed, right? F4 is I've pressed F4 to make it constant here. So if A2 is equal to 1, then I want the value from here to be reflected. If not, then NA. Reason I'm putting NA over here, if I leave this empty, or if I put 0 in here, by default, line is going to even read the empty cells as the value 0, and it's going to show off that, and I don't want that to be happening, alright? So I'm just going to drag it across because I want the same formulas to be there. Okay, let's just verify. So if A2 is 2, I want the values from the coffee column to be there. That's all good. If the value is 3, I want it from the sugar column, and it's all good. Let's just check it out. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and you can see this is changing. Another thing I'm going to do here, I'm actually going to have the name pop up, and that's the same thing which I'm going to link with the chart title. So I'm going to use a function of choose. So choose, now whatever the value is over there, then what value do I want? Value 1, 2, 3. So those are actually my column headings in B4, C4 and D4 respectively. So I'm just going to type that. So B4, second value is in C4, third value is in D4, and enter. So you see, even this is getting dynamic. So 1 is T, it's showing me T, and the values over here of T are there. Now clicking anywhere on the table, on the sheet apart from these tables, I'm going to insert an empty line chart. Alright, reason I'm doing that is because I want to individually select the data ranges. So right click and select data. I'm going to add, first thing is T, that's my series name, and the values are right in here, so just selecting the range. Okay, next is series name is coffee, and my range is right here. Okay, and third is sugar, and these are my values. Alright, now last thing I'm going to change in here is these things right here. You see, I want it to be years, but it's just showing me numbers, so just do a quick edit. And it's asking me where is my axis label range, so I'm going to tell it that it's right here. Okay, and okay. Just quick cosmetics, remove the grid line, add the chart title above the chart. Now this is the chart title is selected, and you can see it, the corners are highlighted. I'm going to come to the formula bar and link it with this option right here and enter. So there we have it. I'm going to do one more thing in the developer, because I need the radio buttons, right? Now here in the radio ribbon, if in case you don't see this in your Excel, don't worry, just do a quick right click anywhere over here, or you could actually do it on the headers. Choose the option of customized ribbon, and here on the main tabs you should be able to see the option of developer, and make sure it is ticked. Just do OK. I'm going to come to insert, and in the form controls there is this group box. So let's just choose a group box right here, and I'm going to insert a radio button. Okay, so I've got this. and let me just do Control C, Control D, Control D 2 times. And I'm right clicking because it'll be like better that way. Let me just do a control format over here and link it with this selection right here. Okay, and if I choose this, so you could see, whoopsie, it always does this to me. I don't know for what reason it does this to me. It's like as if it's taking a revenge or something, you know. Let me just again uncheck that and Control C, Control D, and Control D. Whoops. Okay, so I've got this. Now let me just do one more thing, which is that I'm going to choose right click and choose all of these, and I'm going to come to format, do a quick align to the middle and align distribute horizontally so it looks beautiful as well. And since that's selected, let me just also select the group box and group them all together. Okay, I've got this. You could also rename this group box. I don't want the group box to be saying group box. You could make it, let's say, selection. And let's just rename these over here as well. Okay, let me just come out of it. See, for some reason it knows that I'm actually doing a video recording and it just wants to mess up for me. Okay, I'm just going to rename all of these, and this is called coffee, and the last is sugar. Okay, so there you have it. And let me just resize the box. So you see that's the reason I actually did the grouping, because now whatever I do to the box, all of the items actually remain the same. Can you see that? They all remain the same. Okay, I'm gonna just move this chart over here to hide that table, and there you have it. You've got your own dynamic line chart which is linked with the radio options. Alright guys, I hope you like the video. If you do subscribe and like the video and share it with your family and friends or colleagues who could actually benefit from it. Until next time, much love, God bless. Bye.